This is Philip Jacob, Product Genius, Navneet Motors BMW. Today we are going to see the product presentation of the BMW Z4. Before going in detail about the new BMW Z4, let's have a glance about the previous generation BMW Z4. Previous generation Z4 had a 2-liter engine with a power output of 240 bhp and 260 Newton meters of torque. It did a 0 to 100 in 6.8 seconds. Now let's check out the all-new progressive and sporty BMW Z4. All-new BMW Z4 is completely a new design. It is much more sportier and aggressive. Let's see in detail about the design languages. Seeing the front design of the all-new BMW Z4, you'll be able to notice now the kidney grills have a mesh type design. Running alongside, there is a newly designed adaptive LED headlight system too. Running alongside down, aerodynamics is also involved in the designing of the bumpers. You also have newly designed 19-inch alloy wheels along with blue calipers. As a design aspect, as mentioned earlier, you have air curtains and air breathers which reduces the turbulence inside the wheel arch. Now let's talk about the most exciting factor in the all-new BMW Z4. The car now comes with a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. It gives out 340 bhp and 500 Newton meters of torque. It can do a 0 to 100 in just 4.5 seconds. The safety aspect of the car is also on first priority. The car has a 5-star safety rating. As you all can notice, there are rigidity frames along the side and also near the front bumpers. These help in transferring the force away from the passenger compartment, increasing the safety for the passengers. As shown in the badging, right now the BMW Z4 M40i is developed by the M department themselves. Going through the design aspects, right now you have a much more sleeker design on the tailgates and a much more aggressive looking back. They also have air vents here again for the same air turbulence reduction in the wheel arches, and they come as standard with an M Sport exhaust. Compared to the predecessor, which used to have a hard top, right now the all-new BMW Z4 has a soft top. This gives the benefit of giving the center of gravity much more lower, increasing the handling and riding characteristics. This is the key of the all-new BMW Z4. Just with a click of a button, you also have the option of closing your doors, mirrors, and also your roof. The all-new BMW Z4 also gets a new design language on its interiors. You'll be able to notice right now it has a touchscreen system with the iDrive 7 operating system, which runs widgets on the run. Running alongside down, you have 2-zone AC vents and an Harman Kardon music system and an interior trim with aluminum finishing. The center armrest also has its own internal storage. You have 2 cup holders and a C-port charger, which is latest in the market. The car comes with a very crisp instrument cluster, which is a digital instrument cluster, and also the steering wheel has multiple functionalities. The left-hand side consists of the speed limiter and cruise control, whereas the right side is completely for the media. You have the head-up display through which the media and everything can be controlled. This is about the all-new BMW Z4. The ex-showroom value of the M40i starts at 87 lakhs approximately. For any further details, please do get in touch with our sales team at Navneet Motors BMW.